Hi there. So in this short video, I just want to show you how I use Evernote for organizing my thoughts. And you know how we have always the concept of time management, right? Uh, First and foremost, time management. I don't believe in time management. I think that what I believe in is the concept of priority management. We find time for everything that is important for us. So when we say like we don't have enough time, it simply is not important enough. But what many people don't focus on is networking management, right? And I want to show you in this video how Evernote can be used as a tool for a networking management tool, right? Or a CRM. As you can see, like I organize many of my things here, many of like aspects of my life, work and research. But I also have a notebook that is called CRM, right? So this is the same thing for you. You can do something like this. You can create a notebook and call it, I don't know, personal network, right? And whenever you have a video call, right, you have a note, right? Just write the name of the person, right? And then so it's going to show up in the title, right? And you can start you can put the first date of the contact, right? And then when you have a video call and you have this person on your screen, you take notes and take facts about the person. You ask them everything from very professional side, like all the questions and insights, obviously, that they give you, but also personal stuff. When is the person's birthday? Who is the like? What is the family composition, right? Is the person married, not married? How many children, dogs, puppies? What are their names? What are the children age? What are their names, right? What are the facts? What are the courses that person takes? What is the history? Ask deep questions when the person will be revealing some deep, very personal insights about themselves, and then record them, right? So the thing that I love about Evernote is just it's very robust and very fast. So whenever I need something, I haven't like this. We just forget things as we go, right? So really, the thing that I love is I can go to my CRM anytime. I can go to all notes, right? And I can research. I don't know. Let's say. Uh, who do I have here? I don't know. I want to remember my conversation with Raj, right? So we had a conversation just recently. You put the name and you can find the note very fast and you can see like up to date what was the last conversation, what was the first conversation, right? And uh, all the information, right? Okay, so this is a short tip for you. Please utilize it. I've tried many content management system. I like Evernote again because it's so fast to find out. This is a really, really powerful tool. If you start to manage your network, right? It's a very powerful tool because this is when people start to appreciate the fact that you've invested so much. Of course, they don't need to know about this part, but once they have a conversation with you and you tell them, "Oh, how is your daughter?" and you know something about her. "Oh, I thought I was thinking about what you said last time," and it really shows that you put really attention into it and you focused on that interaction, and that is flattering. Everyone is gonna love it. Hope this tip helps you. Uh, all the best to you. Don't just network, build relationships.